Hello everyone, welcome back to another game review video here to discuss. We're going to be discussing all the games that happen over on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Looking ahead to games that are happening later today on Sunday, and also Monday. We'll go to all that coming up right now. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here at the NHL Talking channel. Before we begin this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. Thank you all for your support, and I'll be able to with all of you guys. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe button down below, and don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section below so I'll discuss today's video. Now, as usual, I'm going to start off here by discussing some game reviews from the past couple of days. We had 3 days of playoff action over the past couple of days, 10 games in total. We'll have a couple more games of NHL action over the next couple of days. So first, we'll look to 2 games that happened over on Thursday. First, the Florida Panthers in Game 3 of the series scored 3 unanswered goals and held on to down the Tampa Bay Lightning 5-3 as the Panthers now up 3-0 in the series and on the brink of a sweep. Canucks scored twice. Lawrence had his first career playoff goal, and Montour both had a goal and an assist. Forsling and Verhaeghe both had 2 assists, and Reinhart also scored for Panthers in the win, while Mott, Stamkos, and Paul also scored for the Bolts in the loss. So bad loss there for Tampa. Then we saw the Carolina Hurricanes in Game 3 of their series open up a quick 2-goal lead and held on to beat the New York Islanders 3-2 as the Hurricanes are now up in their series 3-0 on the verge of a sweep. Thanks to this goal here from Sebastian Aho and Revelco Square Sportsnet. Aho was able to get the 3rd goal for the Carolina Hurricanes in the eventual game winner that helped them win the game and closing on ending the series. So very good stuff there for Carolina. Svechnikov had 2 assists. Aho, Orlov, and Burns were 3 goal scorers for the Hurricanes in the win, while Engvall and Nelson were 2 goal scorers for the Islanders in the loss. So balance there for NYI. Next, we're going over to the 4 games that happened over on Friday. First, the New York Rangers would score 3 unanswered goals and down the Washington Capitals 3-1 as they take a 3-0 series on the verge of a sweep. Trocheck had a goal and an assist. Zibanejad had 2 assists, and Crichton and Gaudreau both also scored for the Rangers in the win, while Carlson was on goal scorer for Capitals in the loss as they failed to win their first game in the series. So bad stuff there for Washington. Then we saw the Vancouver Canucks in Game 3 of their series score a couple of power play goals and held on to down the Nashville Predators 2-1 as they take a 2-1 series lead. Miller had a goal and an assist, Hughes had 2 assists, and Besser also scored for Canucks in the win, while Evangelista, who scores first career playoff goals, the lone goal scorer for Predators in the loss as they fail to take the lead in the series. So bad stuff there for Nashville. Then we saw the Colorado Avalanche score 5 unanswered goals in the 3rd and down the Winnipeg Jets 6-2 as they take a 2-1 series lead thanks to this goal here from Valery Nichushkin and all Square Sportsnet. But Nichushkin was able to, at that point in time, make it a 3-2 game. They would score 3 more after that, and Nichushkin would be a part of helping the Avalanche down the Colorado Avalanche 6-2 and take a 2-1 series lead. So very good stuff there for Colorado. For the Avalanche, Mills had 3 assists. Taves and McKinnon both had a goal and an assist. Rannon had 2 assists, and Parise, Colton, Nichushkin, and Lehkonen also scored for Colorado in the win, while Toffoli and Morrissey were 2 goal scorers for Jets in the loss as they failed to take their lead in the series. So bad stuff there. Then we also saw the Edmonton Oilers go to a 3-0 first period lead and destroyed the LA Kings 6-1 as the Oilers take a 2-1 series lead. Drysdale, who had 2 goals and 8 assists, McDavid, who had a goal, 2 assists, and Ryan Nugent-Hopkins, who had 3 assists, all had 3-point nights. Hyman scored twice, and Kanan had a goal and 8 assists for the Oilers in the win, while Doughty was the lone goal scorer for the Kings in the loss. So bad loss there for LA as they failed to take the lead in the series. Those were the 4 games that happened over on Friday. Going over to the 4 games that happened yesterday on Saturday. First, we saw the New York Islanders blow a late lead but stave off eliminations thanks to this goal here from Matthew Barzal in double overtime as they get a 3-2 double overtime win over the Carolina Hurricanes to now cut their deficit in the series to 3-1. So very good stuff there for the Islanders to stave off elimination. Barzal scored twice, including a double overtime winner. Horvat had 2 assists, and Pajot also scored for the Islanders in the win, while Nosen and Jarvis were 2 goal scorers for Hurricanes and double overtime loss. So a bad loss there for Carolina, who fails to end the series. Then we saw Tampa Bay Lightning open up a 3-0 lead in the first and held on to beat the Florida Panthers 6-3 as they are now down 3-1 in the series. Hagel, who had 2 goals and 8 assists, Point, who had a goal and 2 assists, Hedman, who had 3 assists, and Kucherov, who had 3 assists, all had 3-point nights. Stamkos scored twice, and Paul also scored for the Lightning in the win, while Tkachuk had 2 assists, and Verhaeghe, all of Ekman Larson, and Reinhart were 3 goal scorers for Panthers in the loss as they failed to sweep the series. So bad stuff there for Florida. Then in Game 4 of the series, we saw the Boston Bruins go to a 3-goal lead and beat the Toronto Maple Leafs 3-1 as the Bruins take a 3-1 series lead. Marchand had a goal and an assist. Pasternak and James and Rimsey both also scored for Bruins in the win, while Marner was the lone goal scorer for the Leafs in the loss. So a bad loss there for Toronto as they failed to even the series up. And then we saw Dallas Stars blow a 2-goal lead but recover and beat the Vegas Golden Knights in overtime 3-2 thanks to Wyatt Johnston's goal as they are now only down 2-1 in the series. Johnson scored twice, including the overtime winner. Heiskanen had a goal and an assist, and Robertson had 2 assists for Stars in the win, while McNabb had a goal and an assist, and Eichel also scored for Vegas in the loss, as Vegas fails to take a 3-0 series lead. So bad stuff there for Vegas. But lots of interesting games happened over the past couple of days. Interesting to see Dallas be able to make it a 2-1 series. Interesting to see Vancouver, Colorado, and Edmonton all take 2-1 series leads. Interesting to see Carolina and Florida go up 3-0 before losing their first games of the series to now be up 3-1. Interesting to see Rangers go up 3-0 and still have a shot at sweeping. And interesting to see Boston take a commanding 3-1 lead over Toronto Maple Leafs. So lots of interesting stuff there. Going over to the next few days of game action, there are 4 games later today on Sunday, and there are also 2 games tomorrow on Monday, so we'll get to all those here. So as of the recording of this video, the Jets are playing the Avalanche. Avalanche are looking to take a 3-1 stranglehold lead on the series, while the Jets are looking to take it a 2-2 series back to Winnipeg. Vancouver and Nashville play at 2 p.m. Pacific time. The Canucks are looking to take a 3-1 stranglehold series lead back to Vancouver, while Nashville's looking to even the series up, heading back to Vancouver. The New York Rangers are looking for the sweep at 5 p.m. Pacific time today, taking on a Washington Capitals team who's looking to try and stave off elimination. And at 7:30 p.m. Pacific time, the Edmonton Oilers look to try and take a 3-1 stranglehold lead back to Edmonton, take on the LA Kings team, trying to even up the series, heading back to Edmonton. So we got a lot of interesting games here later today. And then tomorrow, there's only 2 games of NHL action. 4 p.m. Pacific time, the Florida Panthers look to try and end their series for a second straight time, take on the Tampa Bay Lightning team, is trying to make a 3-2 series and send it back to Tampa. While at 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, the Golden Knights look to try and take a 3-1 series lead back to Dallas, take on the Dallas Stars team, is looking to try and send it back to Dallas, all evened up. So lots of interesting games that are going to be happening over the next couple of days of game action. But definitely love to hear your guys' thoughts on all of this in the comment section below. What do you think about all that we discussed here today? What do you think about the games that happened over the past couple of days? Any of them intrigue you from over the past little while? Are you looking forward to any games happening later today or early tomorrow? And what do you think about all the playoff series that's happened so far? Any surprises to you as we near the conclusion of all the game 4s and we're entering the game 5 territory? We'll definitely love to hear your thoughts on all that down in the comment section below. So I'm going to talk about for today. We're going to tell you this video. If you like it, subscribe down below. Thank you for all your support, and I'll be able to love you guys. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe button down below, and don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section below. So listen to all today's video. Also a blog talking about news, rumors, analysis, stuff like that. So make sure to check that out. I'll leave a link down in the description below, and I'm going to see you guys all for next video. See you guys soon.